Dreame X60 Ultra is Dreame's most ambitious robot vacuum and mop to date, built to solve real-world problems that still frustrate even high-end robots. From its ultra-thin 7.95 centimeter design that cleans where most robots cannot reach, to advanced AI vision, obstacle climbing, and a fully automated dock, the X60 Ultra is designed to deliver true whole-home cleaning with minimal user involvement. Special thanks to Dreame for sponsoring this video and allowing us to showcase the X60 Ultra's key features. If you want to learn more, the link will be in the video description. The Dreame X60 Ultra combines an ultra-slim body with high-end navigation, intelligent obstacle handling, and fully automated maintenance. At just 7.95 centimeters tall, it's Dreame's thinnest robot vacuum ever. This slim profile is made possible by a retractable DTOF and LDS sensor system that raises itself in open areas for full 360-degree scanning, then fully retracts when the robot moves under low furniture. When retracted, the X60 Ultra relies on dual AI cameras and built-in LED lighting to create a detailed 3D understanding of tight spaces, allowing it to clean under beds, sofas, and cabinets that many robot vacuums simply avoid. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are handled by Dreame's AI-enhanced OmniSight system. It uses two 120-degree high-precision cameras to mimic human vision, identifying objects, capturing depth information, and recognizing more than 280 different items. This includes small objects like cables, cards, and pet toys. An autonomous driving level route planning algorithm allows the X60 Ultra to respond to obstacles in as little as 0.1 seconds, reducing hesitation, unnecessary detours, and wasted cleaning time. Integrated LED lighting automatically activates in low light areas, helping the robot detect dust, hair, and debris hidden under furniture while avoiding objects that could cause problems. One of the standout features of the X60 Ultra is proactive light dirt detection. An infrared-assisted front camera actively scans the floor to identify dry debris, hair, fine particles, and even light-colored liquids that traditional systems often miss. When dirt is detected, the robot adjusts its cleaning strategy in real time. On dry messes, it prioritizes sweeping and suction. On wet spills, it switches to mopping mode, lifts the brushes, and increases mop pressure to prevent smearing or splashing. This allows the X60 Ultra to handle mixed messes intelligently without user intervention. For homes with thresholds and uneven transitions, the upgraded ProLeap system and triple-wheel AgileLift chassis allows the X60 Ultra to cross obstacles that most robot vacuums cannot. Using retractable legs, swinging arms, and intelligent height detection, the robot can climb single steps up to 4.5 centimeters and double layer thresholds up to 8.8 centimeters. It automatically selects the safest and most effective crossing method while maintaining stability and protecting floors and furniture. Vacuuming performance is powered by up to 35,000 pascals of Vormax suction, delivering deep cleaning on both hard floors and carpets. The HyperStream Detangling Dual Brush System 2.0 combines a bristled rubber brush for hard floors with a TPU rubber brush for carpets, along with the retractable pressure chamber that improves sealing against carpet surfaces. Thicker rubber strips and faster rotation speeds maintain 100% detangling efficiency while pulling debris from deep within carpet fibers, all while keeping noise levels controlled. Suction levels can be adjusted in the app, and Carpet Force AI automatically boosts power when carpets are detected. Mopping is handled by Dreame's Thermal Dual Omni Scrub system, which combines heat, pressure, and motion for more effective stain removal. The mop pads retain heat during cleaning and rotate at up to 230 RPM with 15 newtons of downward pressure. They automatically adjust their angle to maintain contact on uneven floors, increasing scrubbing effectiveness on stubborn stains like grease, footprints, and dried spills. After cleaning, the Thermal Hub Mop self-cleaning system washes the mop pads with water heated up to 100 degrees Celsius, then dries them with hot air to help prevent odors and mildew. The X60 Ultra's all-in-one power dock is built for long-term hands-free operation. It automatically empties the dustbin for up to 100 days, refills the water tank, mixes cleaning solution, washes and dries the mop pads, and manages wastewater. An optional water hookup kit allows for automatic refilling and draining, eliminating the need to manually handle water tanks. A dual solution compartment supports both standard floor cleaner and a pet odor solution, making it easy to customize cleaning for different needs. Smart carpet handling allows the X60 Ultra to lift its mop pads and side brush while boosting suction when carpets are detected. This keeps carpets dry while delivering a deeper clean. Users can customize carpet zones in the app, enable intensive carpet cleaning modes, and fine-tune behavior for different pile heights. For pet owners, the X60 Ultra includes advanced pet-focused features such as large particle recognition for litter and pet food, automatic avoidance of pets during cleaning, and targeted re-cleaning of areas the robot initially skipped. It can also generate pet activity maps and perform secondary cleaning in high-traffic pet zones. Overall, the Dreame X60 Ultra stands out as a no-compromise cleaning system that blends power, intelligence, and automation into one complete package. Its ability to clean under low furniture, adapt to different mess types in real time, cross tall thresholds, deep clean carpets, scrub hard floors with heat, and maintain itself as a dock makes it one of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop systems available today. If you're looking for a robot design for complex homes, pets, mixed flooring, and long-term hands-free cleaning, the Dreame X60 Ultra clearly sets a new benchmark in this category.